How to report a problem on Instagram. To report a problem on Instagram, first of all, open the Instagram app. Now click on the profile icon. Click on these three lines in right side and go to the settings. In the settings, scroll down. In the last, you can see help option. Click on it. Click on report a problem. Click on go back and shake your phone and click on report a problem. Now click on include and continue. Now explain your problem you're facing in the Instagram and upload a screenshot and click on send. That's it. Your problem will be reported on Instagram. That's it. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such helpful videos.